Hey everyone, and thank you for joining on this video. In here, I'm going to be talking about how to delete your Facebook page on the latest 2023 Facebook page layout. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, let's jump right in and I'll walk you through why anybody would delete their Facebook page. All right, so check it out. We've got, this is my Facebook profile. And if I click on this icon under account, you'll see all the profiles that are listed here. Now, these are all of the different pages that I'm an admin of, and my Humblebees hasn't been doing a whole lot. So let's click into that page and see what is going on. Now, on this page, I have not posted a whole lot. These are all the things that I'm following, and I've never posted anything. There was an idea that I was going to post a whole bunch of content about beekeeping, but that never happened. Instead, I was using my own Facebook page around hacks and hobbies right here to do all of that. So how do you delete your page in this brand new layout, the new experience that they've created? So simply click on your icon. Once you've switched to your page that you want to delete, simply go to settings and privacy and click on settings again, and this is going to bring you to the settings page for this Facebook page. Let's see if I can zoom in. All right, here we go. See a little better. Now what's cool is I already created a username, give it a name, but I am not using this page at all. Now why would we create pages? A lot of the times what's happening is that we're creating these pages because you have a new idea and then you just don't follow through, or it all falls through. So I'm going to walk you through how to delete this page. So simply click on privacy on this side, and then once you're in the privacy tab, you'll see Facebook information. There's a lot of other things you can look at, but we're just going to click on the Facebook page information. Once you're here, you can simply click on deactivation and deletion. Click on view, and now you can either deactivate the page, which will be temporary. It'll disable the page. Photos and name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, or you can completely delete this page. So we're going to go ahead and click on delete this page and hit continue. Now, before you delete this page, it'll ask you, hey, do you want to download the information from your page on your computer so that you have access to it, or do you want to transfer the information that's this Facebook page to a different account? For example, I can transfer a copy of your information to another service. Information can transfer includes posts, photos, videos, and more. So this is if you're going to be migrating your Facebook page presence to another place, this is where you would go. Simply click on continue, provide your Facebook password, and hit continue to delete the page. And that's how you delete your Facebook page in the brand new Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.